Tonight we have a traveler's notebook page. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. They're the Paper Studio ones, Agenda 52. And I believe they have 24 pages in them. They come with 2 notebooks. And these are lined. Ooh. But I didn't want to make one, in all honesty, so I went the lazy route and I bought one, which I feel like is my prerogative. Yes, Bobby Brown coming through, my prerogative. Bobby Brown? I think it was Bobby Brown. Anyway. Filter crazy. Yeah, me and my little man. This is actually my boy, but because the filters make you look like girls, basically, in my opinion, I'm sorry if that offends anybody, yes, I think the filters make everybody look like girls. So, sorry, not sorry, it's my opinion. And I'm saying that about my son, this is my son. So, anyway, this is me and my son. Excuse me. I am using the freckled fawn kit that I won from Tori Bissell. Okay, Shannon, get your words together here. I won a kit from her Facebook page. Alright, I'm just going to wrap that up there because words are not easy lately. Anyway, it seemed to be a Project Life kit, which I'm going to make it into a Traveler's Notebook kit today. So my plan is to cut this piece down to nestle into here, and I'm going to adhere that onto there. So what I'm going to do first is, because I want the making good memories, and excuse me for being out of breath, I'm literally just standing still. But what I wasn't going to do, because I loved these cameras over here, I was not going to add any pattern paper, which I thought was a bold move on my part, but we all know it probably really wasn't. Oh my goodness, I don't know why I'm yawning. I slept till 12 o'clock today, you guys. Well, like 11:30. And then, for some reason, I looked at my phone and I said, oh my gosh, I forgot to get up. And I actually got up and started moving around. But it seems like on the days I sleep in like that, yeah, see, that's what I was looking for. I tend to be more tired. Or either it's just my body is like, look, old lady, lay it down. Okay, so my idea is to bring this down. Now, I was going to bring in one of the doilies, but I was struggling with how to fit it on here, so I just was like, you know what, I don't have to do that, so. And my go-to, I talked about my go-to layout for my 12x12s on the last layout I did. My go-to, I did bring out a few things I want to use. That's a few scraps from my stash. My go-to is put an embellishment cluster over here, thing up in the top, and then I put my picture down here. I'm not going to push it down too hard just in case I want to bring it back up. I'm going to kind of push it there. Now I'm going to set this to the side because I have brought in this other card here. And there are some chipboards in this pack. And I popped out a few of them. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Gosh, I feel like someone's biting me. and I'm going to adhere those to certain spots. But first I'm going to stamp. And these are all citrus twist, because I love me some citrus twist. I probably should move these out of the way. I'm going to just set those to the side and not feel like I have to put them away right now. This one says crazy filters. We're so cool. And then this one I thought would be cute because I'm like, gosh, I have so many words going on. Let me kind of just do a filler one. I think I have 2 words, and then we'll do filler down there. And I stamped this one with archival ink, so you know it's like dark as all get out now. I hate that. Okay, and then pop that back on there to see. Oh, go back here. And this wasn't any special day. We were just, he actually has his school shirt on in this, so it was just one day after school we were talking, and me being the dumb mom, not knowing, you know, what the new technology and stuff was, I was like, Devin, come here, look what we can do. And yeah, so alright, now I was going to also bring in a few hearts, but you know what, I think I'm gonna do that with enamels. Oh, come back here. Okay, so we'll pop that away and we'll bring you guys back out. Hope you saw all that. So I did bring in a few stashy things to try and bash some stash, i.e. this purple floral piece, floral, whatever you want to say it, because I've had it for ages. And I say it's time to get out of the stash. Little floral piece, random floral piece out of the stash. Score 1 for me if I get nothing else done today. Alright, let's go ahead and pop that down. Crooked, yep, that's about right. Now, no, I don't want to do that. Okay, so now I wanted to pop smiles down here. I didn't know if any of these colors would. I have this smile. Oh, you know what? That's what I was gonna do. Bring in my, what is this? Stamps of Life. That's what it was. Stamps of Life and camera. Yeah, let's do camera. Since we got cameras on the other side, that will work out. Good, good. I'll cut that. I've got some things here I was gonna cluster here at the bottom. I stamped these from somewhere. One of these stamp sets when I was doing my planner work, and I can't keep up with my planner. I know that now. So I have it still, and it's about half done, which sucks, but you know, such is life. I'm still using the stickers, you know, so that's not a huge waste, I would say. Say cheese, I was gonna pop up here. And happiness, go here. And finish up some of these stars. Dun, 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 dun. Get back on there, Smiles. Don't think you guys are getting used today either. Do we want any hearts? Of course we want hearts. What am I talking about? Do we want to use this one? I do. Oh, right here. Do we at least want one of the stickers to be straight? Yeah, why not? Because this one isn't straight either. Oh, well. I think I'm going to pop these in here as like the little accent piece. Accent? Why does it not want to stay down? And one up here. Okay. Alright. Traveler's Notebook page done. First page. Happy, yay, love it. That's cool. Alright. So, that is another page done in the books. Guess I'm going to need to put some adhesive on that. And hope you guys are having a great weekend. And I will catch you next time. Bye!